The court of the jungle. One day, all the animals of the jungle decided to hold a court. The purpose of the court was to establish justice in the jungle. The lion was appointed as the king and the judge. All the animals gathered in the court for justice. The first case was between a fox and a rabbit. The fox accused the rabbit of stealing vegetables from her field. The rabbit immediately denied this accusation. The lion listened to both sides and decided to deliver a verdict according to the laws of the jungle. The court decided to present witnesses. The first witness was a monkey, who had seen everything from the top of a tree. The monkey said that the rabbit had never set foot in the fox's field. Hearing this, the fox became very angry. She shouted in anger, "This is a lie. The monkey is lying." The lion trusted the monkey's statement and declared the rabbit innocent. The rabbit happily returned home from the jungle. The fox learned a lesson that lying never brings any benefit. Moral of the story: justice and truth always prevail, and lying never leads to any gain.